If I say that Photoshop's generative fill is probably one of the top most popular AI products out there, that it won't be wrong. Generative fill from Photoshop allows you to replace any part of your image with anything else in very easy steps. On your screen in this video, you can see few examples where people have converted, or should I say enhanced, the album covers from one image to another. So in this video, I'm just going to quickly show you few of the examples. In this first example, you can see that Michael Jackson's album cover has been replaced with Photoshop Generative Fill. They have just picked up his photo and then put a background around it on a piano. Then in the next example, you can see they have changed the Adele's 21 album cover. And by the way, this has all been done by this Lorenzo Green, and you can search him on Twitter. I will also put the link in video's description. And then as you can see, next one for Travis Scott, Astroworld, they have changed it. Then this one, Nirvana, Nevermind, they have changed it to this image. Similarly for the Beatles, Abbey Road, which is quite popular album, they have just put it on top of this image. And then for the Bruce Springsteen, Born in the USA, they have put in the background image with the US flag. And then for the Metallica, Master of Puppets, so they have changed it to this. And it doesn't take long. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to actually use um, this Photoshop generative fill to alter your own image. So stay tuned. Thanks.